Your sleep schedule controls your energy, focus, mood, metabolism, and overall health. When sleep is broken, everything else slowly falls apart. Many people struggle with falling asleep, waking up too late, feeling tired all day, or living on a completely reversed schedule. The good news is that sleep can be fixed. Here are 10 powerful ways to fix your sleep and rebuild a healthy sleeping rhythm, even if your schedule is completely messed up. First, lock in a fixed wake-up time. This is the most important rule of sleep. No matter how late you went to bed, wake up at the same time every day. Your body clock is set by when you wake up, not when you fall asleep. Sleeping in confuses your internal rhythm and makes it harder to sleep the next night. Choose a realistic wake-up time and stick to it, even on weekends. This single habit alone can start resetting your sleep within days. Second, get sunlight immediately after waking up. Morning light tells your brain that the day has started. It stops melatonin production and increases alertness hormones. Go outside within the first hour of waking up, even if the weather is cloudy. Natural light is far more powerful than indoor lighting. Just 10 to 20 minutes of sunlight can dramatically improve nighttime sleep quality and help your body fall asleep earlier. Third, stop using screens at least 1 hour before bed. Phones, tablets, and computers emit blue light that delays melatonin release. This tricks your brain into thinking it's still daytime. Late-night scrolling keeps your mind alert and overstimulated, making it much harder to fall asleep. Replace screens with calm activities like reading, stretching, journaling, or listening to relaxing audio. Protecting the last hour before bed is critical for deep sleep. Fourth, create a consistent bedtime routine. Your brain learns through repetition. Doing the same relaxing actions every night tells your nervous system that sleep is coming. This could include dimming the lights, taking a warm shower, brushing your teeth, and lying down at the same time each night. Over time, your body will automatically feel sleepy when this routine begins, making sleep easier and faster. Fifth, control caffeine intake. Caffeine stays in your system much longer than most people realize. Drinking coffee, energy drinks, or pre-workout too late in the day can silently destroy sleep. For most people, caffeine should be stopped at least 8 hours before bedtime. Even if you feel tired, caffeine can block deep sleep and leave you feeling exhausted the next day. Sixth, avoid naps or keep them very short. Long or late naps reduce sleep pressure, which is the natural drive that helps you fall asleep at night. If you must nap, keep it under 20 minutes and before mid-afternoon. If your sleep schedule is severely broken, avoiding naps completely for a short period can help reset your nighttime sleep faster. Seventh, make your bedroom a sleep-only environment. Your brain should associate your bed with sleep, not stress, work, or entertainment. Avoid watching videos, working, or scrolling in bed. Keep your room dark, cool, and quiet. A comfortable mattress and pillow matter more than people think. When your environment supports sleep, your body relaxes faster and stays asleep longer. Eighth, move your body during the day. Physical activity improves sleep depth and quality. You don't need intense workouts. Even walking helps regulate sleep hormones. Try to get some movement earlier in the day or afternoon. Avoid intense exercise late at night, as it can raise adrenaline and body temperature, making sleep harder. Ninth, manage your thoughts before bed. A racing mind is one of the biggest enemies of sleep. If your thoughts keep looping, write them down before bed to clear your mind. Slow breathing, meditation, or calming music can also help quiet mental noise. Sleep happens when the nervous system feels safe and relaxed, not pressured or anxious. 10th, be patient and consistent. Fixing sleep doesn't happen overnight. Your body needs time to adjust, especially if your schedule has been bad for months or years. Some nights will still be difficult, and that's normal. What matters is consistency. When you follow these steps daily, your sleep rhythm will slowly realign, and your energy, mood, and focus will improve naturally. Sleep is not a luxury. It is the foundation of physical and mental health. When you fix your sleep, you fix more than just tiredness. You fix your life rhythm. Stick to these 10 steps, stay disciplined, and your sleep will improve, night by night, until rest becomes effortless again.